Hey guys, milk tea kayo dyan. Milk tea. Ganito po talaga yung paggawa ng milk tea. Tapos mag-add lang po kayo ng 10 pesos para sa boba pearls. Ayan, 'di ba bongga, char.
Howdy guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see of the title of this video is I'm going to show you how I clean my makeup brushes. I'm just going to use shampoo, and I'm using this shampoo, and you can totally use any shampoo that you have. So I normally use baby shampoo to wash my makeup brushes. I never really use like makeup brushes cleaner. So I have the hot water here, and I'm just gonna mix it up with the cold water so that it will like warm. It's not too hot, not too cold, and it also helps for your brushes or sponges and helps for clean. So that's it. So let's get started now.
So you need container, any container to soak your brushes, and this is the brushes, and some of the brushes don't look dirty but they are dirty, guys. So this one is for small brushes and this one is for bigger brushes, and I bought them from Daiso. First guys is I'm just gonna wet them with cold water, and I'm just gonna fast forward most of the video so it won't take much of your time. Build up your container with clean water, then hot water, then shampoo, then soak your brushes, and then start cleaning like so. Oh my god, it's so dirty. Oh my god. Ay, milk tea pala. Milk tea kayo guys. Milk tea kayo dyan. Charot. So second round guys, because it was so dirty, and I'm just gonna use cold water this time, and I forgot to clean this type of brush. It's not brushes. I don't know what do you call it. You can use microfiber towel or kitchen towel for your brushes to dry. That's what I always do. Last step for this tutorial is rinse your brushes in a running water until you are satisfied with the final result like so. So lay your brushes like so on a towel and let them dry overnight. So this is the result the next day guys. They are completely dry and fresh and clean and smell good. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you find this helpful. I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I guess see you on my next video. Bye!